Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is just an introduction video of this particular channel or page called Browser Bot. So what this um, platform is actually for us to keep our followers updated about these new tools that we're just working on. So this thing is a new development, and as you know, when it comes to application of software, you know that updates will always be coming in day by day. Alright, so this is just I'll just be doing a short test running of what this application does. So it's just a robot that I can ask to do something for me online, and I can launch it by simply typing the name of this bot on my command here. So I can just say, let me just quickly type it there, browser bot, right? So when I type browser bot, it's going to open a website automatically itself and go to YouTube directly. That's what I actually have on the command line. So I'm going to be showing you my Notepad Plus where I actually input the command line and tells this bot what to do. This bot is very silly. It doesn't know what it's doing at all. It does anything you ask it to do. So I asked this bot to go to YouTube and type kids video and to click on a particular video. You can see now it's just type kids video here. So you're going to click on a video now. So let's watch. Can you see now? You just click on Alice getting dressed in favorite dresses. So once it's watched this video for, I think it's just 10 seconds that I put there, so it's going to close the web. Are you seeing that? All right, so you can see it has done everything. This is where I think this is where let's get there. This is where it started. So you can see after you have done everything done, it will put done there. If there was an error, it's going to state it there. Now let's go to my notepad. This the notepad. You can see this bot has just executed all the command given to him. You can start from my line 1. This I this when you see 2 slash, that means it's a comment. So I commented this default configuration for the first window, and the following one is headless, and I said no headless. If I have said yes, that means there is not going to be it's going to create a tab, but it's not going to be visible here. This I'm going to be explaining this in the further video, right? So he's going to be using this proxy, and I asked him to open a page. I said try opening a page. This is the default page. Try opening a page which is https www.youtube.com. Then after you've opened the page, wait 5 seconds. Then after that, click on this particular button. So you click on the search button where you can actually input something. So that's why you see click on an button or any element. So I have copied it. I'm still going to show that to everyone. Probably that's going to be on the next video, because I don't want this introductional video to be very long. I don't want it to be long, something to be very short, so if you can catch up. Then in the next video I'm going to be explaining how to do and how this works. At the same time, we are going to be showing everyone here on how to make money using this browser bot. All right, so you can see everything here. You can see where I said type kids video. I can change this thing. Okay, now let's go, so that people will not be thinking I'm doing this thing myself. Now let's go to this place. All right, sorry, this way we have to come. Let's go to YouTube, and when we get to YouTube, let's load up. We can actually search for something else. We can search for something else. So let this thing just load. I think. All right, so we have something here, and I can say, let me just say security, and when I say that, I'm going to click on enter, and this thing is going to load up some stuff for me, right? So let's go to my notepad too as well. let's change. It was type keys video. Now this time around it's going to search security, so I'm going to put search security, right? So now let's go to YouTube. Let's see what it has loaded up. Okay, now you can see this particular one, US election, blah blah blah. So I'm going to right click on this title and I'm going to click on expert. So it's going to bring this developer mode for me, where I can actually copy the expert, right? So let's this thing load up, right? So I'm going to right click on this place too again, and I'm going to come down to copy here, then I scroll down to copy full expert. So when I click on copy full expert, let me do that again, copy, and copy full expert. Then I move down back to my notepad, where I have to change what is going to click on, because if I say type security and this thing click, I may search it and it may not be able to do. Okay, let's just give it a try and let's see what the result is going to be without changing the expert yet. So let's go to browser, let's put that again, browser, and let's click on search. So it has already builded a Chrome, so it has opened that. So remember, this time around it's not going to be kiss video, we said type security, right? So if you look below on my screen here, you can see test. So it's just like you are using to test a web development. When there are some web development, like when you create them, you may need to like text run them, so you may not want to be doing this manually, and you want something that can do it on repeat. You want something that can help you do it automatically repeatedly without you having to stress yourself. So when you see that your boss can open them and you see that there is something wrong, okay, sorry, I've not actually saved this. Okay, let me just close this. I made a mistake there. Right, let me go back to this place. After I put type security, I did not press save. So let me just save this now. So I've saved, it's saved already now. So let's go back to browser, but then let's see. Right, so it has opened what we asked it to open. So we're going to type security this time around, and let's see what's going to come up. Remember, I've not changed the expert, so it may not give us what we wanted. So I just wanted to see that. So it may not give us what we wanted. So right, you can see now it's just type security. Now the next thing is for you to click on that expert. But okay, but
Please
click on
let me
something.
join your guild.
I didn't know.
I
It's going
want
to
to be a
click on
part of
something.
the
I
team.
guess that's actually the first video he got on the this thing, on the result, probably because he was unable to see the this thing, the main this thing, right? So let me just put the experts there, the right experts. So I'm just going to paste that, right? So I can say wait 3 seconds, I can say wait 2 seconds. I'm going to be explaining everything why all this wait is required, because this thing is a bot, and bot is very very fast. Bot execute all these tasks very very fast. So if you are not putting this wait, I'm still going to explain the reasons, more reasons why we are putting all this wait there in the next video. All right, so let's go. Let me put control s, then browser bot. Okay, so let's go. Right, so here we have it. Let's open the tab again. Let's open the browser for us, and it's going to execute it. Right, so on the next video we are going to be using Google Chrome. It's not going to be YouTube. The reason why I'm using YouTube is because mainly I want to be using this thing on YouTube. This particular bot, mainly I want to be using it, but I actually love doing most of my things on YouTube. I hope YouTube will not be giving us issue, because I know YouTube do take down some videos. So, but mainly we're going to be using this thing on YouTube. You can also use it for Google Google Source. Don't forget, like I said earlier, that we're still going to be showing you how you can make money massively using this bot, right? So let this thing just get its work done, and we're going to come to the end of this introduction video, right? So let's watch, and so it's going to type security, and it's going to click on the video we just copied the experts. So you can see after he typed security, he clicked on the search button immediately. You see that this bot is very, very fast. Okay, the reason why it was unable to execute this, you see, when it was unable to execute, it did not put down, unlike this other one. When it was completed, there was done before the next line, right? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to keep updated about this bot. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.